Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll set up reusable terms and conditions in procurement. Open Procurement and go to Terms and Conditions. These are your standard clauses, payment, delivery, warranty, that attach to purchase documents, so every order goes out on consistent, pre-agreed terms. Click Create. Give it a clear title. Then write out its conditions. Choose what it applies to, such as a purchase order. Decide whether it should show in the PO invoice and mark it default to have it attach automatically. And save. Your term joins the terms and conditions list, ready to reuse across documents. Now, when you create a purchase order, just select it under Terms and Conditions, and its clauses carry straight onto the document, with no retyping. That's Terms and Conditions in OEMup. Define once, apply everywhere, and keep every purchase on the same page.